Hi, this is Ryan. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Motivation in Motion. And my topic today is all about success. It's always been a success. So, what are the triangle of success? We're looking on three sides of success in here. First, if we're gonna look at the triangle, we're gonna check the first side. That's we'll call in belief. Second side is that what we call an action, and the third side is what we call in result. Right. Going back to the belief, if you wanted to become a successful in life, your belief should be something powerful, or your belief should have like a conviction. Like for example, for me, like for my own example, in my case, my belief is always been God already planted a potential seeds in our life, that God is a very powerful God that can create possibility, can create tremendous success and abundance in our life. So that's my belief. Okay, and from that belief, we're gonna go to the second side, action. Because if you are always believing on something but you're not going to take an action, then it's gonna be useless. Every books that I read in regards to being successful, it really deals in doing some actions. Because as what I mentioned in the previous video, words without action is always a delusion. Remember that. Words without action is always a delusion. And your action should be congruent, or should be going directly. It's proportion to your goals in life, or your desires in life, or your beliefs in life. In order for your belief system and your actions to move forward. And from that, the third side of success, if you're gonna look at the triangle, is the result. Just think about it. If you start with your belief, if you do have a limiting belief in your life that you cannot do this, or someone is stopping you from moving forward or achieving your goals, then somehow your action will vary. Like you don't have the means, or you don't have the access on what you're going to do. So basically, the result will follow. You will just remain there. So it is really important to begin with something in your going back to the number one side, the belief side. You should be powerful enough to convince yourself that there's something in this world that God is in store for us, that God gave us. The only way to do it is that we have to tap those belief for it to unfold. It's like I'm gonna give you an example. It's like driving a car in a darkness, total darkness. You only have the tools that you only have is the car, and you know the road and the headlights in front. It's too dark that you cannot even see the road ahead of you. So it's like something, if you're aiming for something, if you do have an ambition that you really believe in, like you want it to become in your life, it's a total darkness. But along the way, if you're doing it, if you keep on believing it that it will eventually unfold to yourself, then just like driving a car in the total darkness, you are moving into the direction wherein the only thing, your tool, is your car and your headlight. But since you already know where you're heading, then everything will unfold for yourself. So eventually, you will go on the place, on your destination where you want it to be. So it's a very simple example. However, if you're gonna apply this to your life, then definitely everything will unfold. Just like what I'm doing right now. My belief system is that I wanted to create something, I wanted to motivate someone, or I wanted to inspire someone. Probably in the near future, I wanted to become a speaker who can inspire someone. I know it's a total darkness, like driving in a car in in the total darkness, right? However, I know that there is a road for me. There is a road that will lead me to the path where I'm going through. So just take an action. You don't know where you will going, but you have to be certain to yourself that you will move there in due time. So going back to my topic today, it's all about your belief system. You have to make sure that your belief system is something valuable, something convincing, something you should have like the conviction towards your belief system. Don't limit your belief, because the moment you limit your belief, then your the two sides, then your action will follow, right? So just remember that belief, action, and the third one, eventually the result will just follow. If you're gonna do something bad to yourself, then the result is bad. If you think negatively towards yourself and your actions towards yourself is also negative, then basically the result will follow. Everything should follow. So why not limit yourself when you can do these things, when you can believe in something positive that will happen to yourself. Okay, just a simple reminder. So once again, I just want to conclude my topic today by saying, if in order for you to be successful in life, you have to believe in yourself. You have to create something. Your belief system should be positive, and the second one, your action should be follow in proportion to your belief, and then the result will eventually follow. That's automatic. Thank you.